Are you aware of the tiny mistakes that can drastically affect the accuracy of your analytical balance? Understanding the importance of precision is crucial for lab work, especially when dealing with delicate measurements. Analytical balances measure mass with extremely high precision, often up to 0.0001 grams, 0.1 milligrams, so even small disturbances can affect the results. Most weighing errors in laboratories come from simple mistakes that are easy to avoid. The first common mistake is poor installation, placing the balance on an unstable or vibrating surface. Another big issue is skipping the warm-up time, which prevents the instrument from stabilizing properly. Many labs also forget regular calibration, which is critical for maintaining accurate measurements. Contamination on the weighing pan or equipment can also cause false readings and measurement drift. Operator technique matters too. Touching samples or placing them off-center can affect results. Environmental factors like temperature changes, air drafts, and humidity can disturb sensitive balances. Even tiny vibrations or airflow can shift readings by several milligrams. To achieve reliable results, laboratories must follow proper setup, calibration, and careful weighing techniques. By avoiding these common mistakes, labs can significantly improve analytical balance accuracy and data reliability. Take action now, review your procedures and make the necessary changes to promote accuracy in your lab. Remember, the cost of prevention is always less than the cost of invalidated data.